Ladies and gentlemen.
Wow! Ang daming tao. Hello! How are you all doing today? My name is Gretchen Pulido and welcome to the Grand Ballroom of the Marco Polo Hotel. I can see nagigingit ako sa clappers. I can see a lot of familiar faces. Are you all excited today? Sino gusto dito ng mga pangontra sa Nega? Ay! Sino ilarong gustong sumwerte sa 2017? Okay, so without further ado, I won't take any longer. Can we all rise? May I request everyone to please stand up for the opening prayer to be led by none other than Maritas's darling daughter, Nikki Allen.
All please stand for the opening prayer.
Allen. Hello everyone! Good morning, Philippines! Hi! MFG Group, thank you! Hi! Wow! Ang aga natin! Yay! Thank you so much! Hi, Batch! Mga kabatch ko nandito na lang. Thank you for coming! Thank you for the love! Hi, sir! Good to see you again. Congratulations! Thank you! Hi, everyone! Alam mo, mag-iikot na lang ako. This is such a very awkward. Ano, no? Parang ngayon ako. Akala ko wala na, pero ba pala